this is how I'm going to test for you the durability of this phone, and its main importance. You see, even when you see, you can see which phones can do this. Can you make the iPhone or Samsung face to face like this and they don't break their screens? Like this. Can you make your phone clap? Can your phone clap? That is the difference with this model. This is the tough 5G. Okay, this is the tough 5G, the phone that can handle all weathers. Okay, you are a construction worker, you are a driver, you work in the military, you work in very rough areas, you're a mechanic, any type of job you can find use for this. It is like 5.6 inches, okay, in screen size. Android 12 single SIM card. It is built with the armored casing. You can see it's built with a very beautiful armored casing where the screen is embedded down to the armored housing, which means if it falls down like this on the floor, the screen can never get damaged. Okay, it comes with two cameras, the one of 24 megapixel and one with 12 megapixel, and a touch. It has the Type-C charging port, which means if you have your current charger and you're using the Type-C, whether iPhone or Samsung, you can still use this. There is no need to change, and this charger is common and easily accessible by everyone. Okay, so let's try to test out the camera. You can see it is very beautiful. HD pictures, 180p. For those who know camera specifics, 180p. This is very beautiful. So if you're gonna take any picture or any video, they'll come out very, very beautifully. Okay, this is the tough 5G. It is dust proof. The way the housing is built, is dust proof and waterproof. IP668. Yeah, it is dust proof and it is waterproof, so it can serve in any environment. 10 megapixel front camera. Yeah, that is basically it. This is 128 GB storage and 6 GB RAM. So you can place your orders on WhatsApp. The number is right down there below in the description, and you can get it. For this piece goes for 400,000, and we have the smaller size that goes for 250, 64 GB and 3 GB RAM. Okay, so this is the top 5G, the only phone that comes with an armored housing. Unscratch. It is waterproof, dustproof, shockproof. So remember to give me a like, subscribe and share. KT Gadgets Uganda, the only channel that brings you gadgets that are helpful in your day-to-day life. Ciao.